how to fix the Instagram Reels share list if it's not showing your recent friends or conversations. Let's go through a few simple solutions. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. Open your Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. An outdated version can sometimes cause the share list to stop refreshing. Next, completely close Instagram and open it again. Then, open your direct messages and interact with the friends you share content with most often. Send a message, react to a chat, or share a reel. Instagram's share suggestions usually update based on your recent activity, but it may take a little time to refresh. If the problem continues, go to your phone's settings, open Apps, and select App Management. Here, you will find Select Instagram, then tap Storage Usage and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account or chats. You should also check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then restart the app. And that's it. Your Instagram Reels share list should start showing your recent friends again once the app refreshes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.